Hey YouTubers, so I don't do a whole lot of kind of sciencey type videos, but I thought this one would be kind of fun. Just so happened we got some dry ice in at work, and so we're gonna give this a try. I'm actually gonna do something kind of cool, so let me show you here. So what I'm doing is I've got a bucket, filled the bucket about halfway. This is super hot water. Well, I wouldn't say super hot, but it is as hot as my water heater makes, which I have checked, and it comes out at 130 degrees. So it's pretty freaking hot, I will say that. And I have a bag of dry ice. This is about, I don't know, half a pound maybe, maybe a pound, I don't know. My hand's not a very good scale. But I've got this, and what I want to do is throw it into the bucket and see what happens in hot water. Now what I've noticed, and the reason I'm doing this, is that when you put it in a bucket of, cold water or, room temperature water, the dry ice lasts a long time. But over time, a couple minutes, 5-10 minutes, the water begins to cool, and it doesn't create that steam action that you see. It starts to lessen and lessen. So in this case, I'm going to try starting with hot water and see what it does. So let's see if I've got somewhere to put my phone so I can show this to you guys without damaging my phone. That's what I'm trying to avoid here. Let's see what I've got here. I don't have any tripods or anything like that, because I don't record a lot of videos. So we're gonna put my phone right there. Yes, in a box of sand. That's what I'm doing. A box of sand. So that's what I can do. So that's what I'm doing. So let's see if we can get it to actually stay though. So you guys, sorry, I'd really like this to actually work a little faster. There we go. Seems to be staying there, so we're gonna call that good. Okay, now I don't have any protective gear. Anybody else does this, they probably should wear protective gear. But I do like to live a little bit on the wild side, so I'm not gonna wear any protective gear. I also don't have like any gloves or anything, so there's that. So I'm gonna do this carefully from a distance, and I'm not gonna touch the dry ice with my bare hands. So I'm just gonna kind of work it to the front here. It's not so bad if you kind of double or triple the plastic, and then kind of hold it. You still want to be pretty careful. So we'll see what happens. Well, it's not a bolo different than cold or room temperature water, but certainly some fun going on there. It's really dense. It's a lot more dense than with room temperature water. That's kind of cool. If you fan it there, you can kind of see it is pretty. I can feel the steam from the hot water still. Hopefully this doesn't destroy my bucket, but they're only a couple bucks. But I bought 30 something of them at one point about 2 years ago, and I've got like 3 left. So I go through them pretty quick. So if you can kind of see it, it is traveling down the walkway there, which is cool. But that's what happens when you put it in hot water. Not much. I mean, it's creating a lot more, I guess, steam than in cold water. I was playing around with it at work a little bit in just regular cold water, room temperature water, and it wasn't as much as this. So this is kind of cool to see. So we'll do it. You can see it from this side where it's actually coming out. It's a little breezy. It's supposed to be 40-mile-an-hour winds today, but maybe that's gonna happen tomorrow. I don't know. The weather people are the only people that can lie and not know how to do their job and still have one tomorrow. But really cool. I really love it. It's kind of interesting. Just stick it down inside and see what happens. You can't see anything, but it's cool. Yeah, I have the 8S or 8 yeah, 8, I don't know, 8 plus. So it's the waterproof one. So it doesn't bother me at all. I've seen these videos of these people throw their phone into the pool over and over and dive in for it, and it's fine. So sticking in a little steam isn't a big deal. So there you go, guys. That's that. I was gonna try magnesium, but I was warned against that. As far as, because we carry magnesium at my store, so I was I was gonna try magnesium, which apparently could be a little dangerous. So maybe next time some dry ice comes in, I might go with some magnesium. But at that point, I'm gonna have to actually take it like out into the dirt there, outside of the yard, and I'm gonna have to get some serious protective gear. But we'll see. I don't know. This was just kind of see what happens with hot water. It's kind of cool, and it's actually still, yeah, it's still hot. So I can still feel hot steam coming out of there, which is really cool. So it's really dense, though. It is really dense. That's awesome. All right. Well, if you guys enjoyed it, I know it's not all that exciting, but if you enjoyed it, go ahead and like, subscribe, share the video, hit the like button, please. YouTube pretty much just said I suck because I don't have any subscribers and nobody likes my videos. So if you could like it, that would be awesome. You guys have a good one.